Hi and welcome to Renovator Auction sneak preview for this Saturday, the 29th of September, this coming Saturday. The auction itself starts at 10 o'clock and we're open anywhere from 8 o'clock in the morning for you to come in and start looking at the products. Now this auction on Saturday is going to be a large appliance sale, so we've got a number of loads already turned up with fridges, ovens, front loaders, washing machines all ready for the auction. We're still in the process of setting it up, but we're just going to do a little quick preview of what is available on Saturday. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you some fridges that we've arrived in to start with. You've got some white 530 litre fridges, you've got double door 620 litres. You've also got French door stainless steel freezers. You've got big 620 litre fridges, again with the ice makers to them. You've also got a 500 litre in the single door fridge with the water dispenser attached to it. Now most of these fridges you'd be expecting to be around about the half a retail mark, just below that at auction. For all buyers on Saturday. Now they all come with a manufacturer's warranty, so either 6 months, 12 months, depending on which category it falls under. Now we've also got more fridges, as you can kind of see throughout there. Again, more French door ones, you've got white door ones, you've got bottom out freezers also in there. So as you can see there, now these fridges generally in the marketplace sell for around about the 2 to 2.2 mark, and like I said, generally you're looking at anywhere from about 900 to about 1,000 at auction. Now when we come around, you can see a lot more of the fridges that have arrived in. Like I said, we haven't even set up yet. That's how many we've got dropped off today. We've got, again, like as you can see, the French door ones there with the water dispensers, and then we've got some double door ice and water ones there. Now those double door ice and water ones, they're generally around about the $1,800–$1,900 retail mark. You should be seeing them go for about the $9 to $9.50 mark at auction, and maybe even a little bit less tomorrow. It just depends on the fridge itself. So with those there's plenty to choose from in the fridges. We've also got white ones, like I did say, in a smaller size in the 400 litres. And then we've also got a large amount of freestanding stoves in Glengas, Westinghouse products, and then also your normal standard uprights in the electrics and gas. We do also have a large range of beef eater barbecues that have turned up. You can see the black ones now that we're scrolling through with the glass door fronts. Generally you're talking with 4 burners or 5 burners, even one there with the trolley, as you can see. Then we've got 2 stainless steel ones there. The first stainless steel one that in the marketplace is $1,700 retail, and it should see it go about the $700 to $800 mark at auction on Saturday. And then we've got the big fella next to it, which is a 5 burner barbecue with a side burner with it. Again, another beef eater one. And that one there, I can see now, is $3,200 online today, and today you can check it all day long, and that should sell for around about the $1,500–$1,600 mark. From there I can also show you some of the condenser dryers and dryers that have turned up there. We've got different sizes in the condenser dryers. We've got a couple with heat pumps on them, and then you've got your normal dryers, which come in a range of sizes from 5.5, 6s, even 6.5s, and you can see there just with the 4 kilo ones as well. From there we've also got a large amount of top load washing machines, anywhere from 9 kilo, 10 kilos, 8.5s and 8s, and even down to the baby ones with the 5.5 and 6.5 kilo top load ones there. From there we also have a large amount of front load washing machines up for auction again on Saturday. You've got 9 kilos. You've got some washer dryer combos, 7.5 vapor action ones, 7 kilo ones, and even some 8 kilo ones. Now they should expect to sell anywhere from about $250 up to about the $600 mark. From there we've got some bunch of gas cooktops, electric cooktops, a large range of those in 600s, 750s and 900s. You've got some Saran and induction cooktops. As you can see, Jackie's showing you now the Saran and induction ones, a couple of gas cooktops. We've also got a large range of dishwashers. We've got the Easy Comfort Lift one there. There's a couple of those up for auction on Saturday. That's their new design there. It's basically designed to fold out. If it all works, the lift up goes out, and then easy access for most people with those ones there. Now that dishwasher there generally sells in the marketplace. It's only just been released. It's about $1,400 in the marketplace to buy. You'll probably pick that up at auction tomorrow for about the $750 mark. You got your standard dishwashers next to it in a couple of different models in the Westinghouse range, and they're probably around about the $350 to $450 mark at auction. I've also got a number of different range hoods. Like I said, we're just in the process of still setting up for the auction on Saturday, so there'll be more range hoods going out for auction. I've also got some wine fridges and just standard white, like I said at the start of it, conventional fridges. Now, there's not many wine fridges left to buy, and from there you've also got, the last thing we can quickly show you is some of the ovens up for auction. We've got some ovens with the grills, as you can see they're white, a couple of stainless steel. There is some more coming in. They came in off the truck this afternoon, and you've even got the 900 pyrolytic ones there. From there, the auction itself, like I did say, does start at 10 o'clock. Don't forget you can register anywhere from about 8:30 in the morning, and the catalogues go online 5 o'clock Friday night. So don't miss the sale on Saturday. It's going to be a big appliance sale. It's one of the biggest we've ever had. So we hope to see you there on Saturday. Thanks very much, and we'll see you there.